Hey traders, Coach T, tackletrading.com here, and just wanted to kind of talk about some of the articles I've been writing recently on my Medium account, medium.com at Tim Justice. This is a blog that I put out and tie back into tackle trading and trading justice and all the different content that we create. Go and check them all out. There's a lot of really what I find to be good stuff. Hopefully you guys think it's pretty good as well. And probably my most clapped one, I find this interesting. I think people like short and sweet and right to the point, is this one where I said there's 9 steps every new trader must take, okay? Number 1, start with the right mindset. Number 2, get education. Number 3, build your skills. Number 4, develop consistency in your routine. Number 5, maintain efficiency so you don't waste time. Number 6, embrace the learning curve. Number 7, trade in the zone. Create the best environment to optimize performance. Number 8, understand drawdowns, equity curves, and money management. Number 9, build a system that is yours. And those are the 9 steps. Go and check that blog out on Medium. Go and check all of them out, as a matter of fact, and let me know what you think. If you have ideas you'd like me to write about, send me an email, tim@tackletrading.com. I'd be happy to hear it from you. Get in the game, tackle trading.